everyone. Today in this platform of IRCC 2024, I am Arjina Khatun representing Al Amin Brilliant Academy Rampurat. My co-partners are Afshana Khatun, Shania Jahangir and Mashuda Parveen. Today the topic of our research is Calotropis postura latex as a potential larvicide for Culex species, Chironomus species and Clogmia species. This present research work is conducted in between April 2022 to March 2023. Our guide teachers is Syed Imtiaz Ahmed sir. In this research, our main hypothesis is saponin secondary plant metabolism is present. Calotropis procera includes saponin and proteolytic enzyme. Saponin causes major damage to larval body tissue and penetrating in this plasma membrane, and while proteolytic enzyme do the same by degrading into membrane protein. This hamper the molting of process. Molting of process is larva, Culex larva, and is stop his development and its diet. In our research, our main objectives are primary characterization of Calyptra postura latex, study the larvicidal property of Calyptra postura latex as against our local switch-borne harmful larvae for Culex species, Chironomus species and Clogmia species. To establish a dose-response line from where corresponding LD15 and LD19 values can be determined for the different applied latex concentration at Culex species treatment. To understand the effect of latex on non-target organism. In this flowchart, we have summarized our overall methodology. Here you can see the 4 model organisms we have used: A. Culex species, B. Chironomus species, and C. Clogmia species, D. Anabaeus species. We have divided our overall experiment into 2 parts: chemical property check and test on model organism. In chemical property check, we have done solubility test at different solvents, foam test, and test on model organism. We have done larvicidal property check and exposed to non-target organism. We have tested solubility of Calotropis postura latex. We have also tested the floating test. During larvicidal property check, we have done quantitative treatment was done only for Culex species. In each container of volume 250, only 100 ml pond water was added and 10 fourth stage Culex larvae were added in each container. Gradually 0.5 ml to 3.0 ml of fresh Calotropis latex were added in 5 containers except for the contour. Larval mortality was recorded in specific time intervals. To find out the effect of Calotropis latex on non-target or on adequate organism, we have chosen Anabaeus species. During our research, we observed that in all types of experiment, gradually change in skin color and softening of body larval tissue was observed in increasing dose and increasing time to exposure. In topmost picture A, B and C, in change in skin color is shown, and D to F, softening of body larval tissue damage could be noticed. In this table, we have placed our all data collected during the quantitative treatment of Culex species, and we have calculated the average mortality values. After taking average mortality values, we have corresponding the time and respective to the concentration, we have obtained the following plot. Here we have show fresh lattice concentration along the x-axis and average percentage mortality along the y-axis. Then you can see fresh latex as relative concentration of at 0.5%, 1%, 1.5% and 2% against culic species have achieved 50% mortality at respective 120, 40, 72, 96, 72 and 48 hours. In our experiment, dose less than 0.5% has failed to kill any larva. Again, the same plot you can see. Almost all the calotropis treated have shown the corresponding 50% and 90% mortality. We have calculated the LC50 and LC19 values for calotropis fresh latex. For example, it is 2.75 and it is 2.375% of latex concentration respectively for 24 and 72 hours. In conclusion, we can say calotropis latex appeared as a good potent larvicide for Culex species. We have predicted in our hypothesis. Experiment on non-target organism indicate that its future must be restricted as a pond treatment agent because all 5 of theses in our treatment were died within 48 hours of latex. In future, we have decided that we will conduct when we have to find out the LC50 doses of Calotropis porcera latex against Chironomus and Clogmia species. Next, we are planning for field application trial. During our experiment, we have taken many references for many literature. You can see all of them on the slide. We are especially thankful to our parents for giving us the permission to involve in such prestigious platform, and our guide teachers help us in every step to maintain a healthy balance in between the research and study. We are also thankful to IRCC organizer for giving us the opportunity to present our research in this platform. We are especially thankful to the audience for listening me carefully. Thank you.